Hi everyone, this is Task 2 for Lab 8, creating slope, aspect and hillside surfaces from an elevation grid. In step 1, we need to insert a new map frame. So go to Insert and then New Map. Right click the map frame and go to Properties and rename it to Task 2 and then click OK. We also need to add PLNE to the contents pane. So go to Catalog pane and then add PLNE to your current map. And once you have added it from the catalog to the contents pane, in step 2, we will create a slope map of PLNE by using the slope tool. For that, go to Analysis and then go to Tools, search for Slope, Spatial Analysis Tools. For input raster, use PLNE and give the output raster name is PLNE slope. Leave the other options to their default values and then click Run. This will give you the slope map. In step 3, we need to create an aspect map of PLNE by using the tool Aspect. So go to Analysis and then go to Tools. Now search for Aspect, Spatial Analysis Tools. Use PLNE as input raster and give the output raster name is PLNE aspect. Leave the other options to their default values and then click Run. Now we have the aspect map also. Next, in step 4, we need to create a hillside map of PLNE. For that, you need to go to Analysis and then click Tools and then search for hillside, Spatial Analysis Tools. Use PLNE as input raster and give the output raster name is PLNE hillside. Make sure to check the model shadows option and then click Run. Now we have the hillside map also. In step 5, we will create an aspect slope map of PLNE by using the aspect slope raster function. For that, in the Rev1, click the imagery tab and then click the raster functions icon and then select raster functions in the drop down. In the raster functions pane, scroll down to surface and select aspect slope. Set raster to the PLNE layer and then click create a new layer. Now we have aspect slope PLNE map. You can read over the help website for the aspect slope function is mentioned in the instruction. You can go to the link and then answer questions 5 and 6. And that's all for task 2 of lab 8. Thank you.